Hi, my name is Walt Watanabe and I'm the Director of Merchandising for Ultimate Office. Today I'm going to show you how simple it is to assemble our best-selling StationMate desktop organizer. Now the first thing you'll see obviously is that it does come in a pretty compact box. We intentionally ship it this way so that it can endure the rigors of FedEx or Amazon or UPS shipping and protect it against damage. Now, it does come with an instruction sheet, but you can use this video just as easily. It does come with our best-selling pocket files, which make it a complete organizational system. And you'll see that it does come very nicely protected with styrofoam corner pieces, and the pocket pieces themselves are nicely and tightly shrink wrapped. It's this part of the product right here that we're going to focus on today. After you've removed all the shrink wrap, what you're left with is a front pocket piece that has the faceplate. You have 4 additional pocket pieces, and you have 2 legs. We're going to set the legs aside for the moment. On the back of the pocket you have a long rail, and you have 2 sets of these triangular ramps, so to speak. On the inside of the next pocket you have these rectangular tabs. Now what you want to do is align these tabs with this rail, and then you slide the pocket down until it interlocks with this first set of ramps. But what we want is to go into this second set of ramps, so you could push down on the back, applying some pressure, and then slide the pocket until it locks in the second set of ramps. I'll do the same thing with this third pocket. Again, align the rectangular tabs with the rail, slide the pocket down, it'll lock in this first set of ramps, you push down slightly, and then it'll lock into the second set of ramps. Now, repeat the same process for the 4th and 5th pockets. The last step of assembly is installing the legs. If you look at the legs, there's a track and there's a nub. And on the back of the pockets, there's a series of slots. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What we're interested is in number 5, because this is a 5-slot desk unit. Now to install the leg, what you need to do is slide the leg with the rail into the track of the back of the pocket, and while you're squeezing the sides of the leg gently, slide the leg all the way up until that nub is aligned with number 5, and then release. Do the same thing with the second leg. Slide the leg into the track, squeeze the sides of the leg gently, and then release when you get to slot number 5. Now that you've added the legs, assembly is now complete, and all you need to do is add your pocket files and get organized immediately. I thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful.